This is the Melissa and Doug cleaning set. This is for toddlers. This is the Let's Pretend home cleaning set. So what this is it comes with this tall little stand here, and all the pieces hang on this wood center rack. You'll get a mop, a duster, a dustpan, and a broom. They did a really good job sanding these. Everything seems to be really smooth. The bristles are they're kind of soft to touch. And this little dustpan doesn't have sharp edges. It actually works. It'll actually sweep up some dust. Then you'll get the long-handled broom and a duster that has reinforced fibers that don't fall out. The dustpan can snap into the broom handle or hang from the string attached. This is a great way to develop responsibility, but yet in a playful way. I mean, they can sit around and be just like mommy. They can mop just like mommy or daddy, and they can sweep and dust, and they have all their own tools that are their size. So this is something we recommend. This is very for their development and for them to feel successful. This is a really good toy we recommend for toddlers.